Hi, my name is Miss Millie McGuffey. My photo inspired the box that was created by Wendy Aiken, the painting by Jean Scheckler Beebe, and the clothing and props by Judy Stabile. These progress photos will give you an idea of what the artists have been doing over the last year. Judy, what you doing?
Well, I didn't like the mannequin. I didn't do justice to the head, so we're changing out mannequins as we speak. So I'm going to redress the new one and see what changes I need to make.
Awesome.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me.